Welcome to Rayasam Recipes. Today I will be making Kanchipuram idli, which is also known as Kovil idli. These idlis are traditionally cooked in bamboo casings lined with dried mandare leaves, and traditionally they use parboiled rice to make these idlis, but today I am going to use idli rava. Let's check on the ingredients. So here I have 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of idli rice, which I am going to wash and soak them for 4 hours. I am adding methi seeds. So now it's been 4 hours. I am going to grind it into a coarse paste. For these idlis, the batter should be coarse. It shouldn't be very fine paste. So let's take it to a bowl. Now I am adding the soaked idli rava. If you are using boiled rice, grind it to a coarse powder. It shouldn't be fine paste. Mix it nicely. My batter is little thick, so I'm going to add little water. Don't add too much. Mix it nicely and cover it and let it ferment for 8 hours. So the batter has been fermenting for 8 hours now. You can see it's nicely fermented. Mix it nicely. Now I'm adding the seasoning. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, little bit of jeera, mustard seeds, urad dal. I'm adding chana dal and saute them nicely. You can actually add ghee. It also gives nice flavor to this idlis. I'm adding cashews. Add little chopped curry leaves, chopped green chilies, chopped ginger, and then saute them nicely. Now I'm adding crushed pepper, little bit of hing. Hing is optional. Saute nicely, and now the seasoning is done. Add salt to taste. Add the seasoning when it is hot to the batter. Give it a nice mix. So if your batter is sour, you can totally skip this yogurt. I'm adding little bit of yogurt and soda because my batter is not too sour. Mix it nicely. I'm using these tumblers because I don't have mandare leaves or banana leaf. So I'm just going to grease them with oil. If you have banana leaves, you can place them. That gives a nice flavor to the idlis. Pour the idli batter to the tumblers. Don't pour all the way up, just 3/4 should be fine. Because once you steam them, they are going to raise. Now place them in the steamer. Steam them for around 10 to 15 minutes until they are nicely cooked. So now it's been almost 12-13 minutes. The idlis are nicely done. So now slowly unmold your idlis. Run the knife through the tumblers and then tap them down. You can see the idlis come out really good. Serve them hot when they are hot and steaming. You will really enjoy while unmolding. You can feel the smell and flavor of those ginger peppers and all that. Please do try this recipe. It's really yummy and very tasty idlis. So today I am serving them with black urad dal vada, and then tomato chutney, sambar, and coconut chutney. Please do try this recipe. These idlis are really very tasty. Thanks for watching.